Hi, today we're going to make this pan dulce. That's a sweet pastry bread that we use here in Argentina, especially for the holidays. We're going to need 40 grams of yeast, 1/2 cup of warm milk. You have to mix it and add 2 tablespoons of sugar and 100 grams of pastry flour. We mix it all together and we let it rise. Then we're going to mix 200 grams of butter. It has to be soft, and 150 grams of sugar. We're going to mix it and cream it. And then we're going to add 5 eggs, one at a time, mixing in between each egg. Then we're going to put the rind of a lemon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of orange blossom water, 1 teaspoon of honey, and then we're going to mix it well, and we're going to add the yeast that we had left to rise. And then we're going to add pastry flour. We're going to need more or less kilo, 900 grams. It depends on the size of the eggs you use, so this varies from each recipe. So then we're going to add the flour. We add a bit and we mix it until we finish, until we form a dough. Once we form a dough, we knead it. You don't have to knead it a lot. You knead it just a little bit, and then you just put it back in the bowl and you cover it and you let it rise. It takes, if it's hot, in an hour, 2 hours, it's done, and if the weather is cold, it'll take a bit longer. Once it rose, we uncover it, and then we punch the air out, and we knead it, and then we add whatever you want. You can put candied fruit, raisins, chocolate chips. I use walnuts, almonds, cashew nuts. It depends on what you want, and then you just mix it, and then you put them in any mold. And here in Argentina we sell these paper molds, but you can use a cake mold, or you can make one big one that would be like a panettone. You put it in a warm oven, medium, and you leave it there for 40 minutes. Once it's done, you take it out and you just brush it with butter, or I just rub the butter on top of it while it's still hot. And then we make the coating with some powdered sugar and a bit of milk. Don't make it too thick. It doesn't have to be that thick. It just has to fall down the sides of the panettone. And then you just decorate it with whatever you want. I use the same things I put inside, and I put these tiny little silver pearls. And that's it. You can put them in plastic bags to sell just as a gift. So I hope you guys like it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and activate the bell so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Merry Christmas.